Hi there, Chingir here, and today I want to talk about one of the most frequently asked questions that come from candidates, questions that come from my clients. How do I find mentors, right? And how do I find those people who have accumulated years and years of experience, life experience, work experience, who are willing to share their knowledge, who would be willing to invest their time and their energy into my growth? Well, the process itself is very simple and we'll break it down. But I will explain and I will start with where most people fail. And where most people fail, of course, as usual, it's here. It's how you approach this conversation, right? How do you approach the whole concept of developing mentors for yourself, right? You cannot come from a place of saying like, hey, they're too high, they're too senior, they're too experienced, their time is too expensive. Why would they take their time and invest this time in me and invest their energy in me, right? This is an ineffective belief. What is an effective belief? An effective belief is understanding that these people out there, yes, they're more advanced, they have progressed in their career, they have progressed in their life, but they're still fellow human beings on the journey, right? They're still dealing with their own issues, they're still dealing with their own demons, right? And they have their own problems. And they also have their own mentors who help them and who guide them through their own issues, right? But yes, because they have advanced, they have the capacity, they have the wisdom and knowledge now to share with others, right? If you look up Arthur Brooks, right, and his books, he's introducing a very interesting concept of fluid knowledge and crystallized knowledge. Like every person has two different curves in life. Fluid knowledge is the first curve, when we learn super quickly, when we absorb knowledge, we adapt new skills, model new behavior, and we are very fluid, right? But it's at certain points, and he's saying this range somewhere like late 30s, early 40s, our fluid knowledge starts to drop down, and this is where the next curve steps in, and this is the crystallized knowledge, right? The crystallized knowledge is when you have already accumulated this experience, this skill set, right? And now you need to do something with it. So people who are in this phase, who have already progressed from this curve, from being in the phase of fluid knowledge into the phase of crystallized knowledge, they are willing to share their knowledge because they're looking for recipients and the receiver of their knowledge. And this is why Buddhists say, right, when the student is ready, the teacher will come. Why? Because when the student is ready, the student is going out there and proactively seeking those mentors. The student understands that there are people out there who also seek mentees. There are people out there who want hungry, driven people who will absorb gratefully all the knowledge and wisdom and then apply and then excel the teacher and then make them proud by doing so. And I guess this is the message to you whenever you interact with your potential mentor or your mentor, right? That should be the goal, like make them proud. The process itself, again, as I said, is very simple. If you approach from this mental state, from this mindset, right, that hey, these are just people and I'm gonna approach, they are ready for me, they're welcoming me, they're inviting me, right? I'm gonna go and I'm gonna absorb that knowledge, apply, make my life better, make them proud, and someday, at one point, it will be my turn to pay back, to pay forward, right? There will be also some people, junior people, who will come to me hungry for that knowledge. Again, the process itself becomes very simple. Same thing, networking, approach people, and it's a long game, it's more of a farming, right? First of all, I think one first rule that I would like to kind of share with you, right, is earn your right to ask. So you see people who are on LinkedIn sharing their expertise, very active, and you like how the person thinks, and engage with their content, make them feel good, show and share the gift of your attention, undivided attention, and the investment of your time. Engage thoughtfully, show that your comments are intelligent and deep, right? Show your thought. Earn your right to ask. Engage for some time. After some time, approach, right? Approach and say like, hey, I've been following your journey for quite some time. I would like to connect. Can we have a quick phone call or very normal right now, virtual coffee chat, right? Can we have some FaceTime together? Schedule whatever it is, 15, 30 minutes. You engage thoughtfully, and you make this interaction memorable. You show that you're that kind of receiver, that you're hungry, that you're ready, that you're driven, right? And you will be humble, you will absorb the knowledge humbly, but at the same time you will be confident knowing that you will become that kind of teacher in the future, and it will be your turn to share, right? Disengage for some time, continue engaging virtually, right? Keep investing, keep sharing love. After some time, do an in-person meeting, right? Reach out and say, like, go to their area. Wherever you are, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go there physically. Buy coffee, buy lunch. You're the one paying because you're buying their time, right? In that kind of indirect way, I would say. After that, ask, right? Have the actual ask. Ask them, hey, I know you've been on a journey. I know you're sharing generously. I was wondering if you're accepting any mentees. I'm really looking for a mentor. I would love to have your guidance. And if not, remove pressure. If not, totally fine. That's okay. And I understand that you're super busy. Your time is valuable, right? If you do all the steps correctly, 99% chance they will say yes, right? There will be no people will reject. And again, mentorship, it's not going to be a super intensive time, right? You're going to be spending a lot of time together. No, it's going to be check-ins, right? Once a month, once in 2 months, maybe once a quarter, maybe once half a year, right? And then walking through the stuff that you need to work through. So I hope it helped you. Good luck to you. Again, fix everything here, and then the rest is just logistics, right? Put yourself out there, talk to people, tell them why you love them, and they will love you back, right? When the student is ready, the teacher will come. Take care, find your mentors, grow fast.